this video, I'm going to show you guys how can you avoid YouTube's AI ID verification. YouTube announced that starting August 13, 2025, they are rolling out an AI age estimation model. This system does not just look at your birthday, it tracks your watch history, account activity, and how long you have been on YouTube to decide if you are under 18. If YouTube thinks you are under 18, you'll lose access to important features like uploading freely, live streaming, or using advanced tools. To restore them, YouTube will ask to verify with a government ID, a selfie, or even a credit card. Here's a trick to avoid it. YouTube's AI mainly flags account based on what you watch. If you are regularly watching YouTube Kid contents, like SpongeBob or other videos with comments turned off and no save option, you are more likely to be flagged. To avoid this, stay away from content marked as made for kids. If you really want to watch it, use incognito mode so it does not affect your main watch history. In short, YouTube is using AI to decide your age, and once flagged, you'll be forced to hand over an ID, selfie, or card. To avoid that, be smart with your watch history, avoid kids' videos on your main account, and use incognito when needed. Or also, you can create another account, and you can use that account to watch kids' videos. That's how you can avoid YouTube's new AI ID verification system. What do you think? Is this about protecting kids, or it's about controlling users? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like if this helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.